So here we have loaded the STL file for the core drill print, but there's a bunch of problems. For one, it's tiny, and that's because the scale is all wrong. We'll have to change it from inches to millimeters, and now it's a bit better. And we can see in preview that we can the size is correct, but there's still problems. For example, this bit here is not going to print properly. So we're going to have to cut that away, and since this is one file and Slicer is a bit dumb, we're going to have to do some gymnastics to get that done. So first we're going to have to rotate this, and that was the wrong direction. There we go, and then we can cut. And then we can rotate this one back. And so the same for this one. No. -90. There we go. And now we can cut this one. There we go. And then we are going to take this one and go to settings, and then we are going to fill density is going to be 0, and perimeters is going to be 4, and for this one, nope, settings, and perimeters is going to be what? No. Three, and field density is going to be 20. Now we have the basics done, since we don't want anything inside of this one. And I originally when I originally printed this, I actually did put infill, and that just caused problems, and then I had to reprint the drill to get the empty one so that I could actually fit stuff in it. And after this, it's to printing, and we'll just quickly check on we'll have 0.2 layer height, which is wrong for the drill, and we'll just change that. And layer height, and that needs to be 0.1. 0.2 is okay for the handle, but not for the drill. So print settings, and we'll have layer height of 0.2, and infill doesn't really matter, and because we set that, and we have a brim of 5 millimeters, and that should keep the things stuck to the bed, even if you don't use any other adhesive stuff. And let's go to print.